The Food Channel Network has rated Cape Cod Central among the top 3 dinner trains. It was popular enough that the 2006 season was extended to mid-December. Top of the line is the Elegant train, proper dress and reservations required. The 3-mile experience begins in Hyannis, then the train crosses the Cape Cod Canal lift bridge into Buzzards Bay. Price was $59.95 plus tax and a $5 fuel charge. Other less formal options are the luncheon train, the family supper train, or a simple 2-hour excursion without food. Power on the roster included 2 former Atlanta and St. Andrews Bay GP7s and a standby RS3M, former New York Central, re-engined by EMD. Rolling stock is mostly former Canadian National via rail. This observation is former Illinois Central, serving as the Cape Codder Lounge. There are also 3 Long Island Railroad coaches and a 1957 Burlington baggage car, which serves as the kitchen generator car.